Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I'm going to make my first butterfly lock. Like guys, this is actually my first time trying this. Like when my clients called me yesterday, like I want to make this hair, my sister wants to make this type of hair, can you do it? I said yes. Like I've been watching this hair online, like I've been watching it on YouTube. Like I said before in my previous video, YouTube have really helped me. Like YouTube, all the things I know today, I know most of them on YouTube. You understand, guys? This is my first time, like I said, this is my first time trying this hairstyle. Yes guys, this is actually my first time. Like I've watched a lot of video on YouTube. Like I've not seen somebody that really wants to, like my clients, to make this type of hair. I was so happy when she told me that this is the kind of hair she wants to make. I said, okay, no problem. I can do it very, very well. Like she was so surprised. Like she was so surprised that I have not done this kind of hair before, like this particular butterfly braid. How come I was so, like I did it so perfectly, like so perfectly? I said yes, because I was learning on YouTube. Like I'm a good learner. If I see something, I try to do it. Yes, that is me. Guys, you can still do the same. If you don't know how to do this braid, like if you're a stylist, you don't know how to do this braid, you can as well go to YouTube, or as well there are different ways for you to learn. And I also use my manicure, like manicure, my dummy. I also use my dummy to practice it. Like I use it, my dummy, to practice it like 2 times. Yes, I use my, so I said in case maybe somebody wants to make this hair, so it will not be a problem for me. I will, as guys, I've been really waiting for so long for me to do this kind of braid. Like thank God I finally fulfill. God help me to fulfill my desire. Let me put it like that. Hope you guys understand. Guys, as you can see in this video, if you are watching this video, is for beginner friendly. Like I do it step by step, so you guys can see how it looks, how you can make it. Before you're starting this kind of hair, you have to do it Bob Marley like this. It depends, because I've seen different type. Some don't even mat it like this, like braid the natural hair. Some people don't do it like that. So that's why I said there are different methods for you to do this. So this is the method I have seen a lot, so that's why I choose this method. So guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I just have to weave the natural hair off camera because I do not like this video to be so long for you all. So guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like, and share this video. Share this video, guys, please. Please don't forget to also use the super thanks. Use the super thanks. I really appreciate you so much. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate. For my returning subscribers, thank you all so much, guys. You guys are just the best. Like you guys are the best. Thank you all, everyone that is making this channel to go far. Thank you all so much. Thank you for contributing to my channel, to my life. Thank you for contributing. Like guys, I really do appreciate your everything, watching my video, sharing my video. I really do appreciate. God bless each and every one of you. So guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and you will not just believe what happened in the end of this video. Like the outcome of this video, oh my God, the outcome of this hair, like, is a bomb. I mean bomb. Guys, why I'm talking like this is because it was my first time. Like my first time I did this braid, and it came out so perfectly. Even some I even see is not even finer than my own. My own is finer. Guys, rate this hair. This hair is not 100/100. This hair is 200/200. I'm personally rating this hair 100/100, 10/10. Guys, rate this hair in the comment section. So guys, I used I use 6 pack of kinky braid. I'll be putting the picture here for you all to see how it looks. This one is, you know, kinky braid have different type. Yes, kinky braid have different type. This is the type, the long one. This is what I'm using, and my client ordered it from AliExpress. If you want the link, because I asked for the link, so she gave me the link. So I'll be putting the link on the description in case if you want to order yours, so you can order yours. So we use 6 pack. You know, the kinky braid is so small, it's not too much, it's very very small, so you will need a lot, just in case of a casity, in case you want your own to be very tiny, or you want it to be very long, more than this. You have to buy a lot. Like if you are that type of person that like to do long braids, you have to buy much. Yes, my client bought like 10, but we end up using 6 pack. You understand? So guys, let me know what you think about this video. So guys, the hair is ready for hot water. Yes, this hair is ready for hot water. This hair, I started making this hair about like both the Bob Marley, like the natural hair and the braid, everything. I started at 9 10 o'clock in the morning, and I finished this hair around 2:40. I finished this hair 2:40. Yes. So guys, this is me putting it inside the hot water. I make sure that the hot water gets to everywhere, because hot water make it to relax. Yes, hot water makes the hair to relax very, 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 very well. Like very, very, very well. It will not make the hair to stand. So guys, let me know what you think about this video. Guys, I'm so happy because it's my first time. Like, I am so proud of myself right now. Like, I'm so proud right now. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited. And this is the final look. Guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I will see you all on my next video. I love you all. Bye bye.